Orthodontics, sleep medicine. Chris, where the hell you been? Some people may be asking that because I was posting a lot of videos on here about my new lab, about sleep medicine. I am reading this awesome book, which is well written and funny as hell. And I'll get back to that, but just for the people who accepted my invitation and others who might be like looking out, I just thought I'd make this quick video to explain. I was making a lot of videos about the lab and how lab works and new technology and things like that, and I will be getting back to it soon. But as one friend told me, sometimes you have to unplug from things so that you can fully concentrate on something else. So during the month of May, I had to take a step back because there's something more pressing, there's something more important. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and I am a mental health advocate. So I use the month to make videos, get my book published. Walk in My Shoes, A Journey into Depression, is something that a lot of people don't talk about. A lot of people are afraid to talk about it, but it's an epidemic. It's an epidemic in this country. It's affecting our workforces. So I put a lot of my energy into getting the book published, starting a campaign with that, and I got to put some more time into making an audiobook now. But I will be getting back into sleep medicine and orthodontics soon, and I'm still doing the lab thing. I can't not do it. So I just thought I would make this quick video and explain, and anyone who might be seeing some of my more recent videos from the field of orthodontics or dentistry and be like, what the hell is this about? You can check out more on my YouTube channel for now, but then again, if you're a professional or a student and suffering from things that you can't quite explain, I check out the book. I mean, that's my story, and it's Mental Health Awareness Month. So everyone be happy, be healthy. And if you're not happy and healthy, there are paths to get there. So with that, aloha, and I'll be back with the orthodontics and dentistry and sleep medicine soon. Thanks a lot.